it's Riri. If you're new here, I'm an over 40 lover of all things beauty and I love showcasing indie brands here on my channel. I also love subscription boxes and you guys do too. I just received my PR Ipsy icon box. We've got a name change though, for the month of November. We're gonna dive in. Before we dive in, the eyeshadow of the day is the Ice Cream Beauty and Beauty Moon Cosmetics Treat palette. And I had a request to do a look with this particular palette that I did receive in my Ice Cream Beauty box. So that is what is on my eyes today. Noteworthy also, you guys, Ipsy is updating their names. The Ipsy Glam Bag is now going to be called the Ipsy Original. The Boxy Charm by Ipsy is now going to be called Ipsy Extra. And then the big boy, the Icon Box, is now going to be called the Ipsy Ultimate. So we'll have Ipsy Original, Ipsy Extra, and Ipsy Ultimate. As I stated at the very beginning of the video, this is gifted from Ipsy, so thank you in advance to Ipsy for gifting. I will have an affiliated link in the pinned comment, as well as an affiliated link in the description box for you to sign up if you so choose, and I do earn a small commission if you do sign up. Thank you in advance. Every quarter, in lieu of, if you're somebody like me and you do pay for a subscription, I do still pay for my Ipsy Glam Bag and stuff like that. But quarterly, in lieu of getting the Boxy Charm or the now Ipsy Extra, you will get the Icon Box or the Ultimate Box for an upcharge. And generally we get 8 full-size products, and it is a value of over $300, so I feel like it's an incredible bang for the buck. And each time we do have someone that is a curator, and this time around the curator is Natasha Denona. We do get an informative pamphlet. It will let us know what other products we could have gotten in our boxes. It lets us know why she chose the products that she chose. I'm not gonna look at that just yet. And like I said, I do also get my own box. So this one is PR, but I will also come back when I receive my paid for box and I'll unbox that for y'all as well. I'm already seeing some goodness, you guys. Woo! All right, first up is the 8 Faces, the Skin Brightener Brilliance Serum, Lotus and Vitamin C. I've actually never heard of this, and of course everything is a full size. And y'all know I am a skincare junkie, so I'm not mad at getting any skincare at all. So I'm excited about that already. Next up, brown box. We already know it's her brand, Natasha Denona. The outside says Pastel Plexi Glow Highlighter. And I actually think I chose this in my paid for box as well. I actually got in on choice this month. Can y'all believe it? Because I don't normally like spoilers. So this is the outer packaging. And I was actually going to purchase this when it first came out, so I'm kind of glad that I waited. Packaging is 10 out of 10. Oh, it's so beautiful. This definitely has like Dior vibes in terms of like the texture and the consistency of it. Oh, that's beautiful. Ooh, okay, y'all. I'm excited about that. Okay, so we have that as well. Next up, ooh, what are you? We have the Persona Tubing Mascara, Volumizing and Lengthening. Okay. Next up is a repeat, but I think I got different shades in a previous box. This is the Bisha Essential Eye Designer Duo with 1 brown and 1 black. Okay. Next up, I think I might have gotten this, but I can't remember. This is the Dr. Jart Ceramide Skin Barrier Moisturizing Eye Cream. I actually use the Dr. Jart Cicapair line consistently and have for a very long time. Next up is the, some Laura Mercier. We have the Laura Mercier Caviar Smoothing Matte Lipstick in the shade Blush. Ooh, that looks like it's gonna be beautiful. I have not tried a whole lot from Laura Mercier because maybe I ain't got Laura Mercier money, okay? But I will say this feels incredibly heavy and weighted. Wow, that's beautiful. That is what it looks like. Ooh, gosh, that's pretty. Ooh, I love the shade of that too. It's kind of like really on trend right now for like the 90s, you know, toss on a darker, bolder lip liner and then smack that on. Beautiful. Next up is the Natasha Denona Golden Glimmer Gloss. I don't know if that is the actual shade because I'm not seeing anything else. Ooh, very pretty. I think it is just shimmer. It just says Shimmering Lip Plumper. I am a fan of lip plumpers for sure. And then last but not least, I'm seeing a big old box, y'all, and that means a Natasha Denona freaking eyeshadow palette. Do I know which one yet? I sure do not. So this comes in the box like so. I'm so excited. Oh, okay. I actually already have the Yucca palette. Yucca, correct me if I'm wrong in saying that. My beautiful friend Clara actually gifted the Yucca palette to me. Let me not open this one. Let me show y'all mine so this does not get open to the air. So hold on one second. This is a damn good box, y'all. I'm giving it a 5 out of freaking 5. And from what I can remember, because, you know, my memory is not the best, what I can remember of what I chose, I think I got a pretty damn good box coming. So here's the color story. Keep in mind it's upside down. So if you are somebody like me, you like neutrals, but a little bit more warmth, murkiness, or you like grunge, you like greens, you are going to love this palette. 5 out of 5 yellow hearts for sure. I think it's going to be an amazing month, and I like the fact that hopefully this is kind of the path that they're on and kind of like resetting things, renaming the boxes and stuff like that. I'm hoping moving forward that in the BoxyCharm, which is now going to be called Ipsy Extra, that we're going to get a palette in every single box. That's something that I kind of, you know, speak to all the time in terms of when I do open up my BoxyCharm, whether it is from them or I pay for it myself. I would like to see a palette. And then I feel like we as consumers of like subscription boxes feel one way or the other. I am somebody that's right down the middle in terms of, I don't mind getting like not as known brands or luxury brands. I don't mind getting, you know, indie brands and stuff like that in my subscription boxes. And I know some people are very much, I either want all name brand, all brands that I know of, recognize and stuff like that. You know, they don't want to see non-name brands or indie brands in the subscription boxes. I don't mind it. And as somebody that loves indie brands, how else are they going to get recognized, you guys? So let me run that down very quickly again for y'all. We have the Natasha Denona Yucca palette. Let me get this out of my way some. We have our Persona, the tubing mascara. I'm incredibly excited about this. I just got an eyeliner from them for the very first time. I've not tested it out yet, but I'm excited about that as well. We got our Bisha Essential Eye Designer Duo. We got our lip gloss, our plumping lip gloss. We also got the Laura Mercier Smoothing Matte Lipstick. We got the Dr. Jart Ceramide Skin Barrier Moisturizing Eye Cream. We got the 8 Faces, the Brilliance Serum, and then the Natasha Denona Highlighter. I love this. And y'all, we really built like almost a full face. We have a little bit of skincare. We got blush, lipstick, gloss, the eyeshadow palette, the mascara, and the lip liner. We are literally putting together kind of a collective face, if you will, and I love that. I'm freaking thrilled. I'm absolutely thrilled for this month, you guys. Let me know what you guys thought down below. Do you get the Ipsy Glam Bag or the versions of Ipsy? I'd like to know. And what is your favorite subscription box? Is it Ipsy, BoxyCharm, Icon, things like that? And what would you like to see from Ipsy as a brand? I'd like to know. Let's have that conversation in the comments down below. I am on my way to 7,000 subscribers. I'm very, very close to reaching that milestone goal, and I will be announcing my giveaway very, very soon. So if you're not yet subscribed and you like what you see, please consider subscribing and give the video a thumbs up. You can also hype this video. You can turn on notifications so you never miss one of my uploads, and you can tap the join button down below to become a channel member for some exclusive perks. I love you all. Thank you all so much for being here. Thank you to Ipsy for gifting. I love you all. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.